Dozens dead after plane crashes in Kazakhstan on Christmas Day. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. At least 38 people are dead and 29 others injured after Azerbaijan airline passenger plane crashed near Kazakhstan. The aircraft was flying from Baku in Azerbaijan to Grozny in Russia, the transport minister said in a post on the official Telegram channel. Kazakhstan Ministry of Emergency Situation told reporters that the plane was carrying 69 people, 64 passengers and 5 crew members. The ministry said that 29 people survived the crash, with many hospitalized including 2 children. Kazakhstan Deputy Health Minister told reporters that some of those taken to hospital are in critical condition. The list of the dead and injured is being finalized, the Ministry of Emergency Services wrote on their social media account on Wednesday. Preliminary reports suggest that the crash may have been caused by a Russian defense system that mistaken the plane for a drone. During a press briefing on Wednesday, however, officials announced that a criminal case had been initiated by the Prosecutor's General Office of the Azerbaijan regarding the facts of the crash. Currently, the investigation process is ongoing in cooperation with the Prosecutor's Office in Kazakhstan. All versions are being explored in the criminal case, a spokesperson for the Azerbaijan airline told reporters. Among the passengers were 37 Azerbaijani citizens, 6 from Kazakhstan, 3 from Kyrgyzstan and 16 from Russia, the transport minister said in a statement citing preliminary data. Emergency response team including 432 workers, 79 vehicles and 10 crane units were deployed to the site of the crash.
Dalbaya bana. Anam kara bakko. Şundan dalbayıp bana ona sıkıntı. İyi жақын жейді қара. Бер қара.
Самолет упал. Чё, куда я?
Туда оттащим подальше. Ноги. Подожди, сиди.
Сиди, пусть сидит. Тут люди упали. Самолет разбился.
Звонили?
Прикинь, как этим самолетом.
Crane teams are involved in the search operation. Rescues are working around the clock using special equipment, the spokesperson said. Investigations are on the way with the aviation authorities from Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan and Russia are collaborating to determine the exact cause of the crash. The Embraer, the aircraft manufacturer, released a statement about the crash, saying they are working closely and monitoring the situation and will remain fully committed to supporting the relevant authorities. Speaking at St. Petersburg meeting, Putin told attendees that he had dispatched a team from Russia's own emergency ministry with medical personnel and the necessary additional equipment on board. Azerbaijan is observing a national day of mourning after 38 people were killed in a plane crash as footage from inside the plane craft emerged. People can be heard purring as oxygen masks are lowered on board the Azerbaijan Airlines Embraer 190 in a clip filmed by a passenger before the plane went down. It crashed around 2 miles from Kazakhstan while trying to make an emergency landing. Mobile footage circulating online appeared to show the plane making a steep descent before crashing into the ground in a ball of fire. Other footage shows part of the fuselage ripped away from the wings and the rest of the plane lying on the side in the grass. Some commentators have claimed that holes seen in the plane's tail may indicate that it may have come under fire from Russian air defense system fending off Ukraine drone attack. Officials in Kazakhstan and Azerbaijan have similar avoided comments on a possible cause of the crash, saying that it will be up to the investigators to determine. This is the first fatal accident anywhere in the world involving a passenger jet in 2024. Unverified video footage of the crash showed the aircraft descending apparently with control problems and hitting the ground where it burst into flames. Some of the videos posted on social media showed survivors dragging fellow passengers away from the wreckage. Russia's aviation watchdog, a preliminary investigation indicated that the pilot decided to change landing site after a collision with birds, but this was not the case, as the plane tail shows evidence that it was fired on. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.